the BK Mueller 889-561 stem kit for the BK Mueller old style faucets with the aluminum handle and the style with the tan plastic handle. So a couple things to notice about this stem is down here on this end it'll have that squared piece here. And then coming down here you've got that rubber almost umbrella shaped washer there. And then around the bottom end here at the end of the stem it will have those holes all the way around. And then up towards the end of the stem you have this hexed portion there right below those O-rings. Then coming up you have the two rubber O-rings and the end of the stem. So we'll go ahead and get a couple measurements of it, starting with a total length. So it measures right above 17.5 inches, maybe right at about 17 11/16. Then we can also get an outer diameter here at the end of the stem. That's going to measure just shy of 3/4 of an inch, if I can get it down here. And yeah, once again, this is the BK Mueller 889-561 stem assembly.